Hey everyone, if you've been waiting for the biggest web hosting sale of the year, it's finally here. Hostinger's Black Friday deal is live. You can get up to 80% off plus an extra 7% off with my Hostinger coupon code and even grab a free domain name for 1 year. To take advantage of the Hostinger Black Friday sale, just click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to Hostinger. I've also added the Hostinger coupon code right next to the link so you can apply it at checkout and get the best Hostinger deal. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Let's start with the web hosting plans. Premium plan as low as $232 a month. Business plan as low as $306 a month. Cloud startup plan as low as $697 a month. These plans all include a free domain name on annual terms, and if you want the biggest savings, make sure to select the 48-month term at checkout. Remember, the monthly plan doesn't include the free domain name, so go annual or longer to maximize your value. If you're after more performance, Hostinger's VPS hosting is up to 67% off plus an extra discount with the coupon code. Here's the breakdown. KVM1 plan as low as $464 a month, KVM2 plan $604 a month, KVM4 plan $929 a month, KVM8 plan $1859 a month. Perfect for developers, agencies, or anyone who needs dedicated resources and full control. Prefer to build your site visually? Hostinger's AI website builder plans are also up to 80% off, plus an extra discount with the coupon code. You can get Premium Website Builder as low as $232 a month, Business Website Builder as low as $306 a month. These include hosting, templates, AI tools, and even e-commerce features, all in one easy setup. Hostinger's cloud hosting is up to 73% off, plus an extra discount with the coupon. Cloud Startup, $697 a month. Cloud Professional, $1487 a month. Cloud Enterprise, $29.99 a month. Just note the Cloud Enterprise plan doesn't have an extra coupon discount, but the sale price is still massive for the performance you get. And if you're using Hostinger Horizons, you get up to 30% off plus 1 month free with any yearly plan. No coupon needed here, as the Black Friday discount is applied automatically. To grab these deals, just click the link in the description below to go straight to the sale page, then apply my Hostinger coupon code at checkout to unlock the extra 7% off. You'll save more than what's even shown on the site. These deals are limited time only for Black Friday, so if you've been thinking about starting your website, blog, or online store, now's the time to lock in the lowest prices of the year. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more hosting deals and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.